looked all over town, I phoned until my fingers went numb. I checked in all the clubs, I even discovered some. I called on some of his friends and asked if he had been around. They said that I had missed him and there's only one place he could be found. Gone fishing, need I say, gone fishing. The only way's gone fishing, and I'm gone fishing too. Got my canoe